My dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is a very important topic of international relations, political science and history. Today's lecture is comprised of three topics, and it is only one question. What is ideology? What is importance of ideology in the international relations and world politics? What are basic and essential feature of ideologies in the world politics? Now let us start. Ideology is a set of principles adopted by all states to fulfill the goals and interests of a nation and society. Ideological commitments have been a source of affinity in the development of society, state, and international relations since time immemorial. Ideology is a prominent factor for consolidating the foundations of a society, state. Ideology is a prominent factor for consolidating or strengthening the foundation of society, state, and boosting international relations in the global system. History provides ample proof as to how the ideology of Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, capitalism, communism, socialism, and nationalism has consolidated the very foundation of society, states in the world. After the end of World War II, ideologies reshaped and affected the interaction of states. Ideology is a motivating and steering force for a nation which is striving hard to bring stability and homogeneity to its nationhood. It provides the cement binding base to the scattered groups in a society and brings them closer to each other on a common platform. Ideologies propel and push their disciples or adherents to pursue a joint line of action for the accomplishment of their ideals. Ideologies give shape to the revolutions and give birth to new cultures and civilizations. Ideology stresses their adherents to be adamant on the realization of their ideals through total transformation of society. Unqualified and firm individual and collective subservience is demanded of those who embrace it, and an unquestioned accord with each other on the ideals is the most vital prerequisite of an ideology. The ideological affiliation of society and states stimulates the sense of cohesion. States with different ideologies think economic and strategic repercussions before taking any action or act. Ideological basis makes a society and a state stronger. The ideology consolidates and prosper society and states. It also becomes the potent or powerful cause of downfall, but depend on the power of opposing ideology. The ideology gives unity to nation and a sense of commonality to the people. It also helps the government in finding support from the people. Ideology also serves as good weapon to raise the morals of the people. The ideology is closely linked with national power. Most of the ideologies are concerned with achievement of power as immediate goals of foreign policy by explaining and justifying it in ethical, legal, and political terms. Ideologies are used as a cover to hide the real nature of the objectives of a society or state. The ideology can be an effective instrument in forging unity among various states professing faith in similar ideologies and thus contribute to the enhancement of their strength and power. In the present era of international cooperation and confrontation, respect for human rights, protection of common national and global interests has reduced the significance of ideology, and ideology enlightens the mode of life and culture of states. Ideology helps in gaining peace and harmony in every state. Ideology teaches the basic principles for the individual and collective welfare of humanity. Ideology consolidates individual and groups in a society to common purpose and puts before them the ideal solution of their political, social, and economic problems. Marjanta believes that ideology is a mask to conceal the true nature of political actions. Wish you good luck. This is the first part, and in next lecture I will divulge the second part of this question. Thanks.